Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Komal Shekhawat and I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I will explain how to use HLOOKUP. So HLOOKUP is used in case you have a horizontal table. By horizontal, I mean there are row headings in the table instead of column headings. So if you can see in this worksheet, I have a table wherein the headings are in row form instead of column form. So in this table, you can see I have a list of countries, India, Italy, Indonesia, Japan, USA, and UAE, their country code, and their per capita GDP. So the headings here, that is country, country code, and per capita GDP, is in row form instead of column form, right? So if you apply a function in this table, it will be HLOOKUP. And here H stands for horizontal, right? So for such kind of table formats, you need to apply HLOOKUP. So now, what is HLOOKUP formula here? So let's say I want to find out the per capita GDP of, let's say, Japan, right? So I'll just copy using Control C and paste it here in the country box, right? Now, to identify the per capita GDP of Japan, the formula goes like this. So, equal to, you need to write HLOOKUP, okay? And the first prompt here is lookup value, right? So, we need to look up the value for this one, that is Japan, okay? And then put a comma. The next prompt is table array. So, select the entire table, that is the table array, okay? Then again put a comma. The next prompt here is row index number. Okay. So row index number here stands for the row of that particular variable within the table. So we are looking for per capita GDP, right? So per capita GDP is the third row in this particular table. So since it is the third row, you need to put here 3 and then again put a comma, and the last prompt here is true or false, right, for the exact match. So just put a 0. We want an exact match for this one, and then close the bracket and put a enter. So here we have got the per capita of Japan, which is 3600,202.63, right? So it is matching with this one. Similarly, you can identify per capita GDP of rest of the countries, right? So let's say we want to find out this one for USA. So I'll just copy paste USA over here and you can see the per capita GDP of USA. So the formula will automatically consider per capita GDP of USA. Right, so this is a very small table in case you are dealing with hundreds of entries in hundreds of rows and columns, and the table format is in row form. So then you can apply HLOOKUP, and that would make your task very efficient and easy. So it would become very convenient for you to identify a particular entry or particular value. So in using this formula of HLOOKUP, you can very easily identify the values, and that would make your task very easy. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.